You've probably come to this video because you're struggling to get anyone to pay for your DNA services, or you just want to know how to acquire sales the right way. Well, in this video, I'll be breaking down exactly how you can build a flywheel that has customers consistently coming through the door every single month to pay you money. And before I get into it, you're probably questioning who I am and what position am I in to be speaking about this. Well, my name is Ray. I've been running my DNA testing business for almost 3 years now, and it consistently brings me in $40,000 to $50,000 every month in profit, which has allowed me to escape my 9 to 5 and fully focus on doing what I love doing. Before I get into the nitty gritty of how this works, let's first take a second to understand why this works and why you should do the same thing instead of just running ads, giving out flyers at the mall, or even creating a Facebook page about it. So let's talk about why securing partnerships with attorneys' offices is a good thing for your DNA testing business. Number one, trust and instant credibility. When an attorney's office refers someone to you, you're borrowing their reputation. Instead of being some random DNA company, you're now the trusted provider that they recommend. That shortcut builds instant credibility. Number two, consistent customer flow without ads. Running ads, printing flyers, or posting on Facebook is hit or miss. Some weeks you get leads, some weeks you don't. But a single strong partnership can bring you a steady stream of clients every single week without you spending a dime on marketing. Number three, sell once, earn many times. When you secure a partnership, you only have to sell your service once to that partner. After that, their team keeps sending clients your way automatically. Instead of chasing one client at a time, you build pipelines that work for you daily. Now that that's out of the way, how do you actually secure these partnerships that you can rely on to consistently bring in customers to your DNA testing business? So the step-by-step process would be step one, business cards and brochures. Step two, creating a pitch. Step three, following up. So business cards and brochures. Let's talk about the business cards first. The business card should have your logo, your business phone, your business email, your business website, and some services your business offers. The brochure should have a short headline. It should have your logo, business contact information, short explanation of services, so like paternity, immigration, avuncular, and it should have accreditations of the labs that you work with or the lab that you work with. Number two would be creating your pitch, how you can solve their pain points, so like fast turnaround time, mobile service, or weekend availability. You also want to mention credibility again, so the accreditation of the labs you work with. And you could also have some informational materials or videos that they can watch. Then you want to ask them about their current process for DNA referrals. In other words, when they have a client who needs a DNA test, you can ask them what that process looks like. What lab does that for them? More than likely, they'll say LabCorp. So you can let them know if we can beat or match the turnaround time as well as provide you direct contact, would you consider switching? If they say we already have someone, let them know would you be open for a backup option for urgent cases or when it's logistically feasible? Number three would be following up. You need to follow up. It's very important, people. And if you ask me how many times, I'll say until you get a response. Just let them know, hey, this is whatever your name is. I called before, I came into the office before, and I was just reaching out to see if we could set up a demo or a meeting this week. If not this week, when will be best? Now, I hope you found this video valuable. If you did, and you want my help starting your own DNA testing business, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can apply to be coached by me directly on starting your own DNA testing business today. But other than that, I thank you for watching till the end. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.